Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your home for quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's solve problems together.
Hello, guys. In this video, I will show you how to permanently uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, then go to the Programs option. Next, click on Programs and Features, and then select Uninstall a program. From the list, find 360 Total Security and click on it. Then click Next, select I don't need it, and click Uninstall. Finally, confirm again by clicking Uninstall. That's it, our work is done. This quick method helps you completely remove 360 Total Security from your system and free up space.